Hello, my name is Jeff, and I'm glad you joined us today. Some people may know me by Jake, that's my nickname. And just like this opportunity that we're talking about today, we're going to talk about you and your identity. What is it that you love to do? What is your passion? What if you could put anything on a piece of paper, live anywhere you want to live, make the kind of living you want to make, how many hours a week do you want to work? If you're passionate, it's not really work, they say, and I agree with that. And that's one of the things we're going to find out today. We're going to talk about your financial success, and we're going to talk about your potential. Where are you at, and where do you want to go? One of the things that we're doing is we're actually creating a digital real estate network. You say, I didn't know there was such a thing. Yes, we're going to be harnessing the power of mentorship, coaching, which right now is about a $300 billion industry. And they say by the end of 2023, it will be $900 billion. One of the things you want to see and understand is that in this last year, one of the digital properties out there actually lost about $800 billion. How is that even possible? Well, we're going to look at some of that, and we're going to talk about what is this opportunity right now and how can I be a part? What does it do for me? So what we're going to be doing, we're going to look at unlocking your potential. There's two choices. You can actually follow your passion and discover your purpose through this program, or you can create your own. Go at it solo and go figure it out. There's a lot of programs out there today. I know probably 100 people that are in the coaching business. Part of the problem we find is that a lot of people get very confused about this. We're going to talk today about, first, you've got to make a decision. To do what? Make a decision to change the rest of your life. Make a decision to follow your heart. What is it that you want to do? And you may say, I don't know. And so that's one of the things we're going to do. We're going to find out if you know. We're going to help you through a very simple process. A lot of these programs you buy, you've got so many videos, so many things to watch and do that you get overloaded and you don't do anything. So that's what part of what we're going to do today is talk about how to change that, how to discover a path for your success. So as we look at today, this opportunity, I want you to understand that there are some people that really soar, just kind of like an eagle flying above the earth, looking down, and it needs something to eat. It comes down and it grabs it and it eats and feeds its babies. We're going to talk about some of that. Why do some people soar and some people seem to settle? And so we're going to talk about those things today. We're going to talk about a digital network that you can be a part of. So what is digital real estate? This is an education program that is going to show you what digital real estate is and how to get a license. You may say, I didn't know I could get one. I didn't even know they were available. Yes, and digital real estate is very valuable. Depending on what it is and how you develop it, I'm going to share projects with you that have started for as matter as $10 that today are worth 10 million, even billions of dollars. And I'll explain that to you in the program as you come. Right now, I just wanted to make it a slow intro to give you a little bit of idea of what we're doing. So you say, what does this have to do with you? I'm glad you asked. We are building and launching a digital real estate network. We're not network marketing. We are individuals out here, and we're involved in mentoring. And one of the things that just my experience has been 50 years. Wow, there comes opportunity. Hang on. You know, they say timing is everything. You know, what does this have to do with you and what's going on in society? What's going on the digital world? How can this help you with a laptop, a cell phone, and all the digital things that are going on? AI. And what we want to do is be able to make it very simple. Because people are so complicated, everything's so complicated today. Buy this program, you get 10 CDs, or you get 10 files, you get all this, and people are overwhelmed. What we're doing is taking this and making it step by step very easy, making digital real estate understandable and create a network to where you can actually work and be able to have success. And that's what we're looking to do. So what we're going to do is teach you how to create a roadmap. We're going to set realistic timelines and deadlines for each step, and this will help you to stay on track and make sure that you're making progress on what your dream and your vision and your passion is. It's not about ours. Our passion is to help you succeed in your passion. If it's a new career, if it's a new life, if it's a change in your life, all of us go through change. So what we're doing is here to help you succeed in that financially as well as emotionally. It's kind of like lifestyle coaching, and coaching is a big deal today. So, what we're trying to do is help you in your lifestyle to create that life that you want to live. So we'll track your progress. This will help you stay motivated and also give you better understanding of where you're at in the process. And one of the ways we're going to do that is by your mentor. You're going to actually be mentored, and you're going to have 4 people that you're involved with mentoring. And like I've said before, you may not be doing the mentoring, we are, but you are a conduit to those people, and then they are answering to you. You guys are in a partnership together. It's kind of like a business and having 4 partners. That's what we're doing here. So we'll celebrate your success, acknowledge and reward yourself for making these progress and reaching certain milestones. So all that will be a part of the new digital world that we're creating here. Insanity is like Einstein said, insanity is doing the same thing over and over and expecting different results. So I've studied Einstein and Edison and Tesla since I was 8 years old. One of the things that we have to look at is just like that picture at the bottom is this curvy road going all the way through the mountains. We want to see a straight road, maybe have some little humps in there, but what you want to do is enjoy the trip. It's the journey is what you're supposed to enjoy, but you have to have a roadmap, and you have to know how to create that roadmap for your life. So digital nebula network, what is that? Well, what is a nebula? You're looking at a picture of it. What is it? It is these stars. It is this real estate out here called the digital world that most people don't even understand. How many websites are out there? What are their value? How do you buy something for $10 that can be worth millions or billions? And I'll show you examples of that. And we'll show you how to take something as simple as a piece of digital real estate and capitalize on that. So, what we want to do is make sure that you're not following just any roadmap and stay on track to reach your goals within our network and help you do that. So, one of the facts is that, do you know how many times an airplane changes course during a flight? So a lot of times if you're going from New York to Phoenix, that plane is going to change its course many times based on the wind, based on all kinds of turbulence, going higher in elevation and lower in elevation. Maybe they got to avoid certain type planes that fly lower elevation. All of that is part of your strategy and part of how you get there. And it will change. It's an evolution. It will change every week, every month, based on what's going on in your life. So we'll use that as part of what propels you. And we'll show you how things in the news today, right now, I just watched the news, and there was things in that news that changes history. Things in your life will change your history. And that's what we're looking to do, is to help you in your story. So, we're not a network marketing company. We're not going to be tracking thousands of people. That's not what we're here for. We're here to help you with your people, 4 that you're working with. We're going to show you how to do that in this small group of people. But yes, those 4 that you're working with will be working with 4 each. That is, it's a network, but yet we're doing it very different. You'll find out more as you come in. We're not a get-rich-quick scheme, but yes, you can make serious money with this. We're going to utilize personalized coaching to help you. We'll bring in certain individuals that are experts in their field. And yes, our goal is to help you make 5 to 6 figures if you want to. If you want to just buy the program and sit down and read it and use it in your life at your leisure, you're welcome to. If you want to get on the mailing list and just get a newsletter, you're welcome to. You're not required to pay anything to get in this. We're going to make this available to you, and then based on what you want to do, we can be a mentor for you and help you with that. So just want to, help you understand how digital real estate education, what is this? It's introduced by an education company called Voici Success. What is Voici? What is that word? Well, I speak 2 languages. I speak a little bit of English and a whole lot of hillbilly. I wasn't even sure when I first saw it. And it was a misspelled word on a piece of page that I had. I couldn't read my handwriting. Well, voici means behold, or here is. It's French. So behold success. And that's what we're doing. We're trying to help you to see the success in your life. So the digital nebula network, that's because all around this world is real estate, physical real estate that you can touch. You can rent. You can go to Italy, Spain, the Bahamas, United States, Canada, Mexico. Those are physical properties that you can touch. We are working with a digital world that you can't touch, but you can see and you can connect to. It's a big world. So we want to help you understand all of that. So what we're doing here with the Digital Real Estate Network is we're going to help you to get involved and help you not be left behind with technology, but we're not going to overwhelm you. It's step by step, simple principles, one step here, one step there. We're not going to overwhelm you. You can come in, and if you want to work an hour a week or 4 hours a week, or if you want to work 40 hours a week, you can build this network that you're having, and you can replace your income and see your success. That's what we're after. Our passion is to help you be successful. So there's a 5-minute video that you can click on, and you can actually go in and see a little bit more about it. It's a lot about what I just talked about, but maybe in just a little bit more informative way. So click on that, start today. We look forward to seeing you. This is by invitation only, and we look forward to seeing you on the other side. You don't have to click anywhere. We have included it in this video, so hang on. Hello, are you tired of working 40 hours a week to build somebody else's dream? Maybe you need a side hustle to create a few $100s a week or a few $1,000s a week. Come on in and let us show you how. Click on the link below, join us for a 20-minute video that'll take you step by step how we accomplish this and help you to build your dream. Come on in, love to see you. See you on the other side. Good morning. If you're like most Americans, you're getting in your car and heading to work. There's probably 80 million people today doing exactly what you're doing right now. Getting in their car, going to that job, just over broke. How about you? Today I'm looking at a program that can literally change your life. How? Because it can help you to achieve your passion and your career that you can't wait to get up in the morning to go to work. You'll wake up and say, I get to go to work today. That doesn't sound like most of us. That's because 97% of us don't work in a field that we enjoy. We work for the man, we work for the family, we work for the kids, we work. That's what we do. We are born into this world, and until we die, there's something else that we do. It's called learning. And what we're going to do is give you an opportunity to learn with a twist. You're going to be able to earn while you learn. What do you mean? Well, we've got a program that can help you to succeed in whatever it is you want to do. And while you're learning to do that in this 7-step process, hour, 2 hours a week, all of a sudden you're finding that you're earning an income from learning. Sounds strange? You can do it. And within a matter of a month, 2 months, replace your income? Really? Wow, sign me up. Work 2 or 3 hours a week, work from a cell phone, from a tablet, from a computer, anywhere in the world? Absolutely. Where do I sign on the line? Well, you have to pay. I knew there was a catch. Pay what? You have to pay attention. Can you do that? Sure. Where do I sign? you need to go to the link below, and you need to click on that link and go to see the Art of Creativity Challenge. Because we challenge you to change your life instead of sticking in that same thing every day. Whoa, you know we change every day? Yes. From this moment on, you are on ground you've never been before. Doing something you've never done before, even though you've done it every day. Why? Because it's a different day. Raining, sunshine, different road. Somebody steps in front of you and wow, you almost run them over. That could change your life dramatically. So what about change? You have the opportunity to change for a reason. What's my reason? Because I want to get out of that rut that I'm in. Maybe you're in a bad relationship. Maybe you're in a bad job. Maybe you're going to school and don't know what you want. Maybe you're 20, 30, 80. Maybe you're 7 years old going to school saying, Mommy, I don't want to go. They don't teach me good stuff anymore. Whatever your situation is, you're going to be in change today. So make a decision to change for something really good and join us in helping others. What do you mean help others? We are going to help you learn how to help others. How does that sound? You get paid for it. Okay, what do I have to do? Pay attention. Go to the link below. If you can follow these instructions, go to the link, watch the next video. You've done it. 1 hour a day, 2 hours a week. Do you think you can do that? Join us and watch your world change.